question number 16. 2 point masses x and y are released from rest at different positions in the gravitational field of a planet. Okay. From the planet surface other than x, the masses of x and y are much smaller than that of the planet. Okay. So both masses eventually collide with the planet. So they both collide at the same. So they both collide there, and not same. They both eventually collide. They collide after some time or maybe a given amount of time. So what is the correct comparison of the initial and final accelerations of x and y? It's asking you what is the initial acceleration and final acceleration of x and y. Will it be the same? See, this mass is very nearby to this one. So as a result of it, this will have a different acceleration. Why? Because acceleration of this particle is given by g is equal to gm by r square, right? So this r, this is your r1 here, and this should be your r2 here. So what's happening here? R2 is larger than R1. Therefore what happens? The acceleration due to gravity experienced by this one, what you call as acceleration, or initial acceleration of this particle would be lesser as compared to this. Okay, so therefore it would be different. Initial acceleration would be different. But when it comes back nearby to the surface over here, or when it hits the surface, the final acceleration will be the same. It will not differ. Thus, it will be the same over here, it will be different over here.